a new video, and this is my friend Joshua.
Alright, dudes.
And we're gonna have a race when me and him are gonna win. And I'll put this on Bryan outfit, cause you know me, I am the king. So let's go. I'll put the camera somewhere you can see. Right here.
Under here.
Oh, I got a place.
Can they really see us? My mamacita.
So let's go.
Mamacita.
Let's go. Play.
On your marks.
Wait. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a long video because I'm gonna send a video and I'll do how I'll charge my phone doing the video. Okay. Okay. Ready, set, go. See, I'm the winner, son. So yeah. Wait. Then we go down. Wait a second, guys. Let's see. I think we record that. Yeah. Now we're gonna put the camera somewhere else. Peace. Peace, guys. Peace, guys. Wait, guys, I'm coming back.